Listen closely, because this is not just a message. It is a divine interruption. God says, I saw what you lost. I saw the tears you cried in silence. I saw the nights you questioned if I still remembered your name. And I tell you today, I'm about to replace what you lost with something greater. You thought the loss was the end? You thought the betrayal disqualified you? You thought the door that closed was punishment? But God says, I allowed it not to break you, but to rebuild you. Some things had to leave. Some people had to walk away. Some opportunities had to end. Because God says, I'm preparing a space for something you never imagined. You didn't lose. You were being cleared. You weren't rejected. You were being redirected. You weren't forgotten. You were being positioned. God says, the enemy thought taking that thing away would destroy you. But watch what I do next. What I give will carry more peace, more joy, more stability, more glory than anything you ever lost. You cried over what left, but you will rejoice over what is coming. You mourn the old season, but you will dance in the new season. You question the delay, but you will testify of divine timing. God says, I am restoring you, but not to the place you were. I am lifting you higher. I am replacing the pain with purpose, the confusion with clarity, the emptiness with abundance. You are stepping into a chapter where what was broken will be rebuilt. What was taken will be returned sevenfold. What was delayed will arrive suddenly. And what was impossible will become your reality. Because God says, I do not return things the same way. I return them greater. So lift your head. Wipe your tears. Strengthen your faith. Your story is not ending in loss. It is rising in victory. God says, get ready. The replacement is coming. And it will be greater than what you prayed for.